This is the Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch. Recently I got from the Amazon store, and an upgrade over my Bip 5 smartwatch. Been using it for 2 years. Bip 6 rocks it. Now let's get to the features itself. The smartwatch, the front screen has a 1.97 inches of AMOLED screen with 60 Hz of screen refresh rate, 2000 nits of max brightness, also has an auto brightness feature and an always on display. Now the body is aluminum alloy. The lower portion, the back portion, is made up of plastic, and the front portion that covers the screen is a tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating. Now the smartwatch comes in 4 colors. One is the black, which looks like dark blue. It's got also stone, red and charcoal. Now at the side of the watch, it's got 2 buttons. One is a textured button, which basically you can go from home and back by using this button, and the bottom one is a plain button, not a textured one, which you can customize it. It's got a speaker to one side and mic on the other side. Now at the back side, there is a BioTracker 6.0 ppg sensor. Basically it has a precise heart rate, can also do get the blood oxygen levels, and also do the stress monitoring, HRV for the sleep and more functions. And also there is a magnetic charging base which you can connect it with Type-C port, and the watch has a 340 mAh battery which can last up to 14 days typical use, 32 hours if you're going to use continuous GPS, and 26 days in battery saver mode. The smartwatch has a Bluetooth 5.2. You can sync the smartwatch all the sports history through Zep app, and that is also available in Android smartphones, also for the iOS system. Now the major software upgrade over the Bip 5 that I have been using and found it helpful is the menu or the shortcut customization. You can do heavy details, customize it based on your needs. And the second thing is the keyboard response or mic feedback for replaying certain SMS or text messages. I'm also including the social media apps, like through WhatsApp. I can also respond WhatsApp messages to using just the watch. It's got a tiny keyboard in the screen. Additionally, the watch's got 140 plus sports mode, that's including swimming activities. By the way, the watch is a water resistant up to 5 ATM, and the other notable features is that it's got smart sport recognition. You can also do template creation, peripheral workout device connections. There's also got a sports coach, and you can also sync all your workouts through third-party sports app. And additionally, it's got huge features also for the health and lifestyle also, that I might be going on for another 5 minutes if I just go through them. Now the smartwatch cost about $80. If you guys are interested in purchasing that, Amazon link in the description below, not affiliate link by the way. And that's all for the Amazfit Bip 5. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and catch you guys in the next one.